amber weather warning due to high winds on Costa del Sol. The intense easterly storm that has battered the Malaga province coastline and other parts of Andalucia with strong gusts of wind and high waves for several days has subsided in the last few hours. However, Spain's state weather agency EMET maintains a yellow warning for coastal phenomena for the remainder of this Sunday and during the first hours of tomorrow, the 13th of February, and warns that the situation will worsen during Monday afternoon. In fact, from 6 p.m. on Monday, the weather warning will go from yellow to amber and will affect the city, Costa del Sol, the Guadalhorce Valley and the Axarquia. Winds of 60 to 70 km per hour and waves of 4 meters are expected until 7 a.m. on Tuesday morning. The minimum temperatures will begin to rise, with maximums that remain at around 18 degrees. This has been the first strong storm of winter, but the beaches of the Malaga coast have generally withstood the onslaught of the waves with barely 2 months to go until Easter, a date set when more tourists arrive who, to a large extent, are seeking the beaches of the Costa del Sol. The main damage from the last couple of days of strong waves is focused on the loss of sand, although the promenades and other infrastructure, such as beach bars, have not suffered major damage. As for the wind, falling trees, walls, aerials and advertising boards have been reported both in the city and in the coastal municipalities. No reports of personal injuries have been received, for now. Gusts of up to 80 km per hour were recorded at Malaga Airport, with a maximum average speed of 55 km per hour. In Benalmádena, the emergency services attended 15 storm-related callouts during the storm episode. Firefighters doubled the work shift to deal with incidents. In Fuengirola they recorded 20 actions due to falling branches, advertising boards or traffic signs. The coasts of Marbella have been affected, as every year, by the storm. The mayoress, Ángeles Muñoz, has seen for herself the damage that the storm caused in the area. There is hardly any sand left in some areas, and some of the accesses to the beach have been affected. The town council estimates that the cost to repair the damage caused so far will be €500,000.